Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a get ready with me. We're going to be doing a birthday look. So if you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned to the rest of the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so first thing first, we're going to prime our eyes and get it ready for our eyeshadow. And as I stated in the beginning, you guys, this is going to be a get ready with me. This is my birthday look that I'm doing. So guys, today we're going to be using a Revolution Roxy palette. And yeah, you guys, we're going to be using the shade that I just pointed to. I don't know the name of it, so yeah, we're going to roll with that. So we're going to put that shade right on the top. And you guys, I don't know too many makeup terms and terminologies and all that. Look, we just going to put that color right on the top. You see that? You see the color popping right on the top. Then we're going to go back in that same palette and get this brown shade and put it right into the crease, guys. And then we're just pretty much blending that color into the first color. And we just going to blend it all together. Okay? Because, again, I don't know all these terminologies they be using. But yeah, so once we're done blending that, you guys, we are going to do a cut crease. Now, a lot of people don't like to do a cut crease because they say it's too hard, but somehow I have mastered it. You know, a cut crease is like nothing to me. As you can see, I just swooped that bad boy and it was all good. It was done. So yeah, once we're done with the cut crease, guys, we're going to be using like 3 different palettes in this video. So my second palette, of course, is the MacBook palette, and we're going to be using that white shade in the MacBook palette. So we're going to put that white color right in the front, like near our tear ducts. I guess that makes sense. So yeah, we're going to put the white right in there, and then we're going to follow up with another palette, and it's the I Love New York palette. And we're going to use that red color right in the middle. Now, I totally forgot who the I Love New York palette is made by, but I'll definitely put everything in the description bar, you guys, so you know where all the products is coming from. So once I have put that middle shade in that red shade, because me and my husband will be dressing alike for my birthday, and red and black and white will be the actual color. So I'm gonna go back into the same palette, guys, the New York I Love New York palette, and I'm going to get that black, and I'm going to just put it on the end, and again, I'm just going to blend it and make it look fabulous. But yeah, you guys, so once we're almost done with the eyes, and I don't want to get on here and be rambling too much, but yeah, I'm gonna let you guys listen to the music while I finish up the eyes. Okay, yes baby, we are using the new Fenty skin tint foundation, and you guys, this foundation is not a full coverage foundation. It just pretty much, it is a lightweight foundation. And if a lot of people, have you seen anybody that did a review on this product, they pretty much put it on and they use their hands to put it on. And yeah, you guys, putting this on is soft. It's just like, it's not heavy at all. Not heavy at all on the face. And it blends really well with your face. Again, this is not a full coverage makeup at all. But if you're looking for something lightweight, as I was, because for my birthday we were in Miami, and you guys know how hot it gets in Miami, so having that lightweight foundation was amazing. But only issue I had was I think that I got the wrong color. I think that it was a tad bit too light for my skin, and like with Fenty Beauty, I wear my shade is with the foundation is a 420, and with these skin tint foundation, they don't come in the same shade as if the foundation did. So yeah, right now, I mean, it didn't look bad, but I do eventually have to find my correct shade. Okay guys, so to highlight under the eyes, I'm using the Juvia Palace concealer. It's in shade 10, I believe it is. Again, I'll put everything down in the description bar. And again, I do the typical area underneath the eyes, down the nose, the forehead, and the cheek, and right above the lip. Okay guys, so to set my highlight, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Hazelnut powder. Again, I'm just going to use that to set the area where I place my highlight. And by the way guys, if you like me talking through my makeup videos, leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know, and maybe I'll do a little more talking in my videos. I never personally talked in my makeup videos because I just kind of wanted to show people how to do it instead of explaining per se. But anyway guys, so right now I'm about to do my contouring. I am using the Fenty Beauty Espresso stick, and yeah, the typical spots that I do, and then I'm gonna blend it all in. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. By the way guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel by now, definitely hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys would definitely be notified. Definitely hit the subscribe button guys, because I have a whole bunch of videos that will be coming out, from hair to makeup and even some talk through videos. So definitely hit that subscribe button. Okay guys, so right now I'm just pretty much cleaning up my contouring, making it look neat and whatnot. And as I stated in the beginning guys, so this is a get ready with me. So for my birthday we went down to Miami to celebrate my birthday. I had a blast and I did my makeup, and look, yes, right now I'm using a Fenty Beauty I think it's the concealer or the powder foundation, I believe it was. Again, I'll put it all in the description bar, and pretty much all I'm doing is just using that to wipe away the powder. But anyway, so we went down to Miami. We had a blast, you guys. So I did this get ready with me, and the night of, we went out to eat to this spot in Miami called Creme Brulee, I believe it's called. It was a restaurant called Creme Brulee. You guys, I tell you, that restaurant was the bomb. And my thing is with restaurants, I don't mind paying a whole lot of money for good service. If you have good service, I don't mind spending my money in your establishment at all. But yeah, you guys, for right now, we're going to use this Beauty Glade palette for my God, I can't even remember what it's called. But yeah, so so we went to this restaurant. It was lovely. The food was great in Miami. And yeah, you guys, I had a great birthday down in Miami. And yeah, we're going to pretty much finish up this look in a minute. We're going to get into after this, we're gonna get into some highlights. I'm gonna finish letting you guys watch the video because I'll be all over the place with this video. And as you guys can see, this is the crown case highlight. I totally forgot the name of it, but I'll put it down in the description bar if you guys want to purchase that highlight. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna let y'all finish watching because again, I'm just rambling, just talking. But just finish watching to see how everything came together. Okay guys, so for lips, yes baby, we are doing red lips, you guys. And I already personally have these really big juicy lips, so when I do red on my lips, they look even more perkier, even more bigger. And it's crazy because every time I do red, my husband loves it, you guys, loves it, because he just loves how red makes my lips look. But yeah, we're definitely finishing this look off with some red lipstick, guys. So definitely stay tuned to the rest of the video to see how the whole outfit and everything came together. Okay guys, so here's my whole outfit. I had this dress on that I purchased from Amazon. I will put it down in the description bar. And I also have red shoes on, which I haven't put on yet. But here is the complete finished look of my makeup, hair, everything. Definitely let me know down in the comment section what you thought of my birthday look and also my get ready with me talk through video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, and definitely before you get out of here guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, period.